New advancements in image generation are being made every single day. And with Vertex AI, you can start leveraging this new tech in your applications right now. If you haven't seen our last video about image generation and editing, be sure to check out the link below. In this video, we'll be taking a look at some of the new features, including image captioning and visual Q&A. Let's go. You may already be familiar with the image generation feature on Vertex AI, where you can type in a text prompt and get an image generated based on that text. But did you know that you can now upload an image as input and have the AI generate a text caption describing that image? This is our new image captioning feature in Vertex AI. Let's see it in action. In the Vision section of Generative AI Studio, you can click on the new Caption button and upload your own image. Then click Generate Caption, and our AI will generate a human-readable caption describing what's happening in that image. This feature is also accessible via an API, so you can embed this functionality directly into your applications. Some cool use cases we've already seen with this feature have been in automatically generating product descriptions for e-commerce businesses and making images more accessible to visually impaired users. We are really excited to see what new solutions this technology will power in the future. So share your ideas in the comments below. Okay, let's talk about the next new feature in Vertex AI. You can now ask questions about images. I know that sounds a bit like magic, so let's just see it in action. Same as before, we navigate to the Vision section of Generative AI Studio. Then we click on the new Visual Q&A button. We upload our own image, and then finally we type in the question we want answered about that image. For example, you could ask, what is the neck type of this shirt? The AI will then generate an answer to your question based on the visual contents of the image. Now, this feature enables some really unique possibilities for developers. For example, building interactive shopping experiences. Like you could be clothes shopping online and want to ask a question like, what is the style of that jacket called? Or another use case might be in building richer accessibility for a media app. So that you might be watching a film and want to ask a question like, what is the person on the left-hand side of the screen holding in their hand? If you have some cool use cases in mind, definitely share them in the comments below. And again, same as before and with the rest of the features, this functionality can be embedded directly into your apps via an API and run at scale. Those are some of the new image generation features in Vertex AI. Let us know in the comments what you're planning to build with them, and check out the links below to learn more about getting started.